मुझे बाकी इंटर्न्स पर एक फायदा था।
I had an advantage over the rest of the interns. I had an advantage over the rest of the interns.
सांप अपने टखनों पर मारने के लिए पाला।
The snake reared up to strike his ankle. The snake reared up to strike his ankle.
गाते वक्त इसकी आवाज बुलंद होती थी।
Her voice raised in pitch when singing. Her voice raised in pitch when singing.
मैं फिलहाल काम से मखलूब हूँ।
I am currently overwhelmed with work. I am currently overwhelmed with work.
उसने अपने लहजे में एतमाद से जवाब दिया।
She replied with confidence in her tone. She replied with confidence in her tone.
मैंने सोती हुई बिल्ली पर नजर रखी।
I kept an eye on the sleeping cat. I kept an eye on the sleeping cat.
वो जमीन पर बैठने से पहले अहाते में घूमता रहा।
He wandered around the compound before sitting on the ground. He wandered around the compound before sitting on the ground.
गुब्बारा फटने पर परेशान किन आवाज निकालता है।
The balloon makes an annoying noise when it bursts. The balloon makes an annoying noise when it bursts.
मुझे कल एक काम सौंपा गया था।
I was assigned a task yesterday. I was assigned a task yesterday.
वो अजनबी की मदद करने से पहले हिचकिचाते थे।
They hesitated before helping the stranger. They hesitated before helping the stranger.
इसने उसे अपना कलम दे दिया।
He lent her his pen. He lent her his pen.
आप इतने सख्त नहीं हैं।
You are not as that tough. You are not as that tough.
मैंने कल अपनी माँ से बात की।
I spoke with my mother yesterday. I spoke with my mother yesterday.
उसे इसकी बातों की सच्चाई पर कोई शक नहीं था।
He He didn't doubt the truth of her words. He didn't doubt the truth of her words.
रेडियो स्टेशन जामिद के साथ फट गए।
The radio stations cracked with static. The radio stations cracked with static.
नूडल्स एकदम पक जाएंगे।
The noodles would be cooked in an instant. The noodles would be cooked in an instant.
मैंने मछली को पानी में डाल दिया।
I put the fish into the water. I put the fish into the water.
दुकान तक सवारी आसानी से चली गई।
The ride to the store went smoothly. The ride to the store went smoothly.
पत्थर के गर्द एक हुजूम जुमा हो गया।
A crowd gathered around the stone. A crowd gathered around the stone.
मॉल सड़क से आगे है।
The mall is up ahead the street. The mall is up ahead the street.
आराम से बैठने से पहले उसने बेतरतीबी से एक फिल्म चला दी।
He randomly played a movie before settling down. He randomly played a movie before settling down.
ये मज़ा का खेज है जब हम हंसने के लिए एक दूसरे को डराते हैं।
It is funny when we scare each other for laughs. It is funny when we scare each other for laughs.
घोड़े ने हवा सूंघी और खौफ के मारे भागने लगा।
The horse sniffed the air and ran wild with fear. The horse sniffed the air and ran wild with fear.
अंग्रेजी पढ़ने का इंतखाब करने पर इसका मजाक उड़ाया गया।
He was mocked for choosing to study English. He was mocked for choosing to study English.
जब मुझे आपकी जरूरत थी आप मेरे लिए मौजूद थे।
You have been there for me when I needed you. You have been there for me when I needed you.
इसे तकरीब के लिए खाना पकाने का काम सौंपा गया था।
She was tasked with cooking for the ceremony. She was tasked with cooking for the ceremony.
सफेद कपड़ों में मलबूस खवातीन के दरमियान इसके पीले रंग के लिबास ने इसे अलग कर दिया।
Her yellow dress amongst white dressed ladies set her apart. Her yellow dress amongst white dressed ladies set her apart.
मैं गुस्से से वहां से गुजर गया।
I walked past in anger. I walked past in anger.
वो जोर से सोफे पर गिर गया।
He dropped heavily onto the couch. He dropped heavily onto the couch.
मुझे इसे मजबूत करने के लिए मशीन को अलग करना होगा।
I have to disassemble the machine to strengthen it. I have to disassemble the machine to strengthen it.
मेरी बेटियों ने स्कूल में शानदार कारकर्दगी का मुजाहिरा किया।
My daughters excelled in school. My daughters excelled in school.
मैंने तजुर्बा हासिल करने के लिए 1 माह तक कंपनी में काम किया।
I worked for the company for a month to gain experience. I worked for the company for a month to gain experience.
इसने सुराखों को सेमनट से भर दिया।
He filled the holes with cement. He filled the holes with cement.
शायद इसीलिए वो बोलना नहीं चाहता था।
That was probably why he didn't want to speak. That was probably why he didn't want to speak.
मेरा शौहर राज नहीं रख सकता।
My husband can't keep a secret. My husband can't keep a secret.
अपने वालिदैन की वजह से आर्ट्स में डिग्री हासिल न करें।
Don't pursue a degree in arts because of your parents. Don't pursue a degree in arts because of your parents.
उसने अपने पेनट ब्रश को पानी में डुबो दिया।
She dabbed her paintbrush in water. She dabbed her paintbrush in water.
ये इसका सफरी डब्बा नहीं था।
That wasn't her traveling box. That wasn't her traveling box.
सेब का जायका सड़ा हुआ था।
The apple tasted rotten. The apple tasted rotten.
इमारत को देखकर वो जोश व खुरूश से भर गया।
He was filled with enthusiasm at the sight of the building. He was filled with enthusiasm at the sight of the building.
वो देखकर हैरान रह गए।
They were astonished at the sight. They were astonished at the sight.
वेटर ने आहिस्ता से खाना नीचे रखा।
The waiter set down the food gently. The waiter set down the food gently.
आप जल्द ही इस अमल के आदी हो जाएंगे।
You will soon get accustomed to the process. You will soon get accustomed to the process.
बच्चों ने जो गाना पेश करना था इसे याद कर लिया था।
The children had memorized the song they were to present. The children had memorized the song they were to present.
उसके वालिद को मीटिंग से खारिज कर दिया गया था।
Her father was dismissed from the meeting. Her father was dismissed from the meeting.
स्कूल की प्रिंसिपल हैरानी से खड़ी रही।
The school's principal stood still in surprise. The school's principal stood still in surprise.
उनके खानदानी डॉक्टर ने उसे ज़ियाबीतस की तशखीस की।
Their family doctor diagnosed her with diabetes. Their family doctor diagnosed her with diabetes.
इन्होंने सामीन के सामने बड़े एतमाद से गाया।
He sang confidently before the audience. He sang confidently before the audience.
मैंने डरते डरते सांस रोक ली।
I held my breath in fear. I held my breath in fear.
जज ने इसका केस मुलतवी कर दिया।
The judge postponed her case. The judge postponed her case.
जब उसने उसे बुलाया तो उसने बमुश्किल इसके खाने को हाथ लगाया था।
He had barely touched his food when she called for him. He had barely touched his food when she called for him.
मेरे वालिद ने अपने सिपाहियों को हमला करने का हुक्म दिया।
My father commanded his soldiers to attack. My father commanded his soldiers to attack.
उसने अपने गीले कपड़े बदलने से इनकार कर दिया।
He refused to change out of his wet clothes. He refused to change out of his wet clothes.
आपने जिंदगी में एक रास्ता चुना है।
You have chosen a path in life. You have chosen a path in life.
अपने खानदान को खोने के ख्याल ने उसे खौफजदा कर दिया।
The thought of losing his family frightened him. The thought of losing his family frightened him.
मैंने इसे अपनी बहन समझ लिया होगा।
I must have misstaken her for my sister. I must have misstaken her for my sister.
आदमी मायूसी से जवाब देता रहा।
The man kept answering in frustration. The man kept answering in frustration.
आप कभी नहीं जानते कि जब आप हार नहीं मानते हैं तो क्या होता है।
You never know what happens when you don't give up. You never know what happens when you don't give up.
फ्रेम को सही तरीके से ऊपर रखा गया है।
The frame is correctly positioned on top. The frame is correctly positioned on top.
बच्चों को अकेला छोड़ दो।
Leave the children alone. Leave the children alone.
इजाफी कारकुन पैदावार में इजाफा करेंगे।
Additional workers would increase production. Additional workers would increase production.
इसने मापी हुई रफ्तार से काम किया।
He worked at a measured pace. He worked at a measured pace.
आप मुझे घर जाने पर मजबूर नहीं कर सकते।
You can't force me to go home. You can't force me to go home.
कार ने सड़क पर जलने के निशान छोड़े थे।
The car left scorch marks on the road. The car left scorch marks on the road.
मैंने पानी की नली का आग की सिमत रुख किया।
I aimed the water hose in the direction of the fire. I aimed the water hose in the direction of the fire.
ये काम करने का एक माकूल तरीका है।
That is a rational way to do things. That is a rational way to do things.
इसने नजरें हटाने से पहले उसे मुख्तसरा देखा।
He looked at her briefly before looking away. He looked at her briefly before looking away.
तेल के अखराज की वजह से मशीन खराब हो गई।
The machine malfunctioned due to oil spillage. The machine malfunctioned due to oil spillage.
वो इसकी गुमशुदगी पर फकरमंदी से झुक गया।
He frowned in concern at her disappearance. He frowned in concern at her disappearance.
गुमशुदा आइटम्स को जाहिर करने के लिए मवाद फैलाया गया।
The contents spilled to reveal the missing items. The contents spilled to reveal the missing items.
इसे एहसास हुआ कि वो झूठ बोल रहा है।
She sensed he was lying. She sensed he was lying.
रात का खाना उसे पेश किया गया।
His dinner was served to him. His dinner was served to him.
अब तक के नए कारकुनों ने अपने किरदारों में काम करना शुरू कर दिया है।
The new workers so far have started settling into their roles. The new workers so far have started settling into their roles.
मुझे अपने कदमों को फिर से तलाशना है ताकि मैं अपना फोन तलाश कर सकूं।
I have to retrace my steps so I can find my phone. I have to retrace my steps so I can find my phone.
पेशावर रनर ने पूरी दौड़ में एक ही रफ्तार रखी।
The professional runner kept the same speed throughout the race. The professional runner kept the same speed throughout the race.
कुत्ता तेजी से पानी की तरफ बढ़ा।
The dog rushed onward to the water. The dog rushed onward to the water.
बच्चे तूफान से भीग गए।
The children were soaked from the storm. The children were soaked from the storm.
मैंने आहिस्तगी से कपड़े तह कर लिए।
I gently folded the clothes. I gently folded the clothes.
इसके पास मुस्तकबिल का अव्वलीन मकसद था।
He had a vision for the future. He had a vision for the future.
इसने इसे मजबूती से अपनी तरफ रखा।
She held him firmly to her side. She held him firmly to her side.
इसकी चोट इसके दर्द का बायस बन रही थी।
Her injury was causing her pain. Her injury was causing her pain.
मैंने कमरे के चारों तरफ फैली रेत को बहा दिया।
I swept away the sand littered around the room. I swept away the sand littered around the room.
अफवाहें सच ही होंगी।
The rumors must be true. The rumors must be true.
आज इसका नाचने का दिल नहीं कर रहा था।
She wasn't feeling up to dancing today. She wasn't feeling up to dancing today.
इसके पहुंचने तक बस काफी दूर जा चुकी थी।
The bus was far gone by the time he arrived. The bus was far gone by the time he arrived.
इसका बेटा खामोश रहने के लिए जाना जाता था।
Her son was known for being quiet. Her son was known for being quiet.
इसे एक मंतकी फैसला करना था।
She had to make a logical decision. She had to make a logical decision.
उन्होंने हाथ मिलाया।
They clasped their hands together. They clasped their hands together.
तुम्हें इसकी तजवीज़ से इत्तेफाक नहीं करना चाहिए था।
You shouldn't have agreed to his proposal. You shouldn't have agreed to his proposal.
इस बारे में सोचें कि आप जिंदगी में क्या बनते हैं।
Think about what you become in life. Think about what you become in life.
इन्होंने हाथ पकड़कर दुआ की।
They held hands to pray. They held hands to pray.
उसने अपने रोजमर्रा के मामूलात को दोबारा शुरू किया।
She resumed her daily routine. She resumed her daily routine.
वो शुरू से बेदार हुआ।
He awoke with a start. He awoke with a start.
मैं मुझसे मिलने के इशारे की तारीफ करता हूँ।
I appreciate the gesture of visiting me. I appreciate the gesture of visiting me.
ये एक बुरा ख्याल लगता है।
That seems like a bad idea. That seems like a bad idea.
आप इतने होशियार हैं कि जानते हैं क्या करना है।
You are smart enough to know what to do. You are smart enough to know what to do.
मैंने कल के लिए उसके कपड़े इस्त्री कर दिए।
I ironed her clothes for tomorrow. I ironed her clothes for tomorrow.
इस रात कोड़े को निकालना है।
The trash has to be taken out this night. The trash has to be taken out this night.
वो बमुश्किल मुड़ा था जब वो मदद के लिए चीखी।
He had barely turned when she screamed for help. He had barely turned when she screamed for help.
इसके बच्चे इसके साथ बातें कर रहे थे।
Her kids were chatting away with him. Her kids were chatting away with him.
मैं क्लासरूम के सामने रुक गया।
I stopped in front of the classroom. I stopped in front of the classroom.
वो उस वक्त तक कोशिश करता रहा जब तक उसने अपने मंसूबे को हासिल ना कर लिया।
He kept on trying till he achieved his plans. He kept on trying till he achieved his plans.
आपको चोटी तक पहुंचने की कोशिश करते रहना है।
You have to keep striving to reach the top. You have to keep striving to reach the top.
अवाम ने उनके गैर मामूली कारनामे की तारीफ की।
The public praised him for his exceptional feat. The public praised him for his exceptional feat.
मेरा कुत्ता दहशत से भौंकने लगा।
Mig dog barkede indtager. Mig dog barkede indtager.
मुकाबले में तलबा शामिल हैं।
Students are included in the competition. Students are included in the competition.
इसकी तरह सुस्त न बनो।
Don't be sluggishly kahim. Don't be sluggishly kahim.
बरामदे से आने वाले शोर ने उसे चौंका दिया।
The noise from the hallway startled her. The noise from the hallway startled her.
मेरे लिबास पर सियाही लगी हुई थी।
My dress was stained with ink. My dress was stained with ink.
हम अपने मुताले में निजी तौर पर बात कर सकते हैं।
We can speak privately in my study. We can speak privately in my study.
वो उनके साथ सख्त था।
He was strict with them. He was strict with them.
कदमों की आवाज पर वो खौफ से कांप उठे।
They trembled in fear at the sound of footsteps. They trembled in fear at the sound of footsteps.
इसने फख्र के साथ अपने ओहदे का ऐलान किया।
He announced his position with pride. He announced his position with pride.
उसने अपने घर वालों को एक मुतज़लज़ल मुस्कुराहट दी।
She gave her family a shaky smile. She gave her family a shaky smile.
मैंने पिछली सीट से उसे आंख मारी।
I winked at her from the back seat. I winked at her from the back seat.
अहलकारों ने अपनी गाड़ियों से लाइन का पता लगाया।
The officials traced the line with their cars. The officials traced the line with their cars.
इतनी वजाहत काफी है।
Enough with the explanations. Enough with the explanations.
मैं घर जाने से पहले आपको बताना चाहता था।
I wanted to tell you before heading home. I wanted to tell you before heading home.
अगली रुकावट के लिए तैयार रहें।
Be prepared for the next obstacle. Be prepared for the next obstacle.
इसने अच्छे तरीके से पानी की बोतल पी ली।
He drank a bottle of water for good measure. He drank a bottle of water for good measure.
मैंने खानदान के लिए रात का खाना पकाया।
I cooked dinner for the family. I cooked dinner for the family.
आपके मज़मून का इख्तिताम मुबहम था।
The conclusion of your essay was confusing. The conclusion of your essay was confusing.
मैंने अपनी साइकिल का चेन लॉक खोल दिया।
I undid the chain lock of my bicycle. I undid the chain lock of my bicycle.
इसने सुबह के वक्त अदायगी कबूल कर ली।
He accepted the payment by daybreak. He accepted the payment by daybreak.
मैं नीचे तह खाने में चला गया।
I went down to the basement. I went down to the basement.
इसे मुल्क का सदर मुकर्रर किया गया।
She was appointed as the president of the country. She was appointed as the president of the country.
मैं आपकी इज्जत हासिल करने जा रहा हूँ।
I am going to gain your respect. I am going to gain your respect.
इसने स्कूल में टॉप तालिब इल्म होने का दबाव महसूस किया।
He felt the pressure of being the top student in school. He felt the pressure of being the top student in school.
लाइब्रेरी को कल तक असर 9 तरतीब दिया जाए।
The library should be reorganized by tomorrow. The library should be reorganized by tomorrow.
वो पहाड़ की चोटी पर चढ़ गया।
He climbed to the top of the mountain. He climbed to the top of the mountain.
इसने आखिर में लफ्ज़ पर जोर दिया।
He stressed the word at the end. He stressed the word at the end.
नट निस्फ में तकसीम।
The nut split in half. The nut split in half.
घुसने वाले ने दरवाजे पर धकेल दिया।
The intruder pushed on the door. The intruder pushed on the door.
आप इससे निपटने के लिए जा रहे हैं।
You are going to have to deal with it. You are going to have to deal with it.
मैंने 5 साल मुल्क की खिदमत की।
I served the country for 5 years. I served the country for 5 years.
अपने कमरे में दाखिल होते ही उसे अजीब सा लगा।
Hij felt strange when he entered his room. Hij felt strange when he entered his room.
आप निसाबी किताब के मुताला में अपना वक्त ज़ाया कर रहे हैं।
You are wasting your time studying the textbook. You are wasting your time studying the textbook.
उसकी बेटी पहले से ज्यादा फरमानबरदार है।
Her daughter is more obedient than ever. Her daughter is more obedient than ever.
दोनों ने बेवक्त एक ही बात सोची।
They both thought the same thing at the same time. They both thought the same thing at the same time.